Good morning, Diane.
Good morning, Yujun. You look great today. So I have greetings card here. So can you say?
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Good job.
Good evening.
Good evening. All right. And
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Good night.
Good night. Excellent. And I have feelings card. So can you say I feel, right? How do you feel?
I feel shy.
Shy. Okay.
I feel angry.
Angry. That's right. And
I feel curious.
curious something, right?
I feel sleepy.
Sleepy. And the last one?
I feel happy.
Happy. Oh, that's wonderful. How do you feel today, Yujun?
I feel happy.
Happy. That's good. And now I have some number card here. Can you count 1 to 20? Yes. Okay, let's try. Go.
1 apple.
No, 1, 2. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow, excellent. Then can you say what number is it?
11,
11. That's right. And this one?
17,
17. And one more. This one?
20.
20. Excellent. You know what? Here are 1 apple, right? And how about this one?
2 rabbits.
2 rabbits. Bum 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 bum. This one?
5 teddy bears.
5 teddy bears. Good job. And
10 peppers.
oh, great job. You are so good at numbers. I have seasons card. There are 4 seasons, right? So, what can you say? What season is it?
Spring.
Spring. What season?
Winter.
Winter, that's right. And
Summer.
summer. And the last one?
Fall.
Fall. Good job. So, what's your favorite season?
I like spring.
You like spring. Wow, good.
How?
What? Can you ask me? What's your?
What's your favorite season?
I like fall. Thank you for asking me. Thank you. And here are some vegetables. Do you like vegetables? Really? So can you?
Beans.
Okay, beans,
Pepper.
peppers, and
Eggplant.
eggplant. That's right.
Cabbage.
Okay,
Carrot.
carrots. All right. And
Cucumber.
good job. And so among these, what vegetables do you like?
I like broccoli and cucumber.
Broccoli and cucumber. Good for you. Good job. Yujun, do you like black beans?
Yes.
Really? How many black beans do you want?
I like 20 black
20 black beans. Can you count to 20 black beans?
Yes.
All right, hold up your hands. Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow, excellent. Good job. Okay, enjoy your black beans. Have some black beans. All right, you did a great job. You have a good day.
Thank you, Diane. You too.
Okay, bye.
Good morning, Diane.
Good morning, Yua. You look so pretty today. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Here, I have greetings. What is it?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night, Mom. Yeah, very good. Okay, so here are feelings. You can answer me. I feel. Okay? All right. How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Happy, that's right.
I feel confident.
Confident, all right.
I feel hungry.
Hungry.
I feel angry.
Angry. Oh, can you try this one?
I feel curious.
Okay, how about this one? I feel
Shy.
shy. Good job. Yua, how do you feel today?
I feel happy.
You feel happy? That's good. Okay. So can you count numbers 1 to 10?
10.
10? Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wonderful. Here I have number card. So what number is it?
2,
2. What number is it?
10,
10. Okay. How about this one?
4,
4 and
8.
oh my goodness, very good. Do you want to try this one too? Try. 1 apple.
1 apple.
Okay.
1,
2 rabbit.
2 rabbit.
Okay, one more. 5 teddy bears.
5 teddy bear.
Okay, good for you. So I have 4 seasons here. Okay, can you tell me what season it is? So what season is it?
Spring.
Yeah, that's right. This is spring.
Summer.
Summer.
Fall.
Fall. That's right. And
Winter.
winter. Very good. What's your favorite season? Like?
I like winter.
You like winter? Okay. Do you like snowman too?
Yeah.
Really? Good for you. You did a good job. So, I have black beans here. How many black beans do you want?
10 black beans.
10 black beans. Okay, hold out your hands. So, count the black beans, please.
1, 2, 3,
Uh-huh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Here you are. Oh, enjoy the black beans. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Wow, you really like black beans, right? So you did a great job, and you have a good day.